So here's a big update for all the 2000s comedy lovers out there. Bhagam Bhag 2 is officially happening. And yes, there's a major casting twist. Paresh Rawal has confirmed that Manoj Bajpayee will be stepping in as Govinda's replacement in the much-awaited sequel. Akshay Kumar is returning, Paresh Rawal himself will be seen in a double role, and the film will be directed by Dream Girl fame Raaj Shaandilyaa. Shooting is all set to begin in February 2026 in Mumbai, and the makers are eyeing a 2027 release. Now, let's address the big question. What happened to Govinda? Paresh Rawal openly admitted that the team will definitely miss Govinda. After all, in the 2006 cult classic directed by Priyadarshan, Govinda's madcap energy was a huge reason why the film worked. His physical comedy, that unforgettable kill me, kiss me sequence, and his chaotic chemistry with Akshay's Bunny and Paresh Rawal's Champak Chacha made Bhagam Bhag the riot it was. The film was made on a modest 12 crore rupee budget and went on to collect around 80 crore rupees, massive numbers at that time. Rawal said he doesn't know the exact reason behind Govinda's exit. There's speculation about date issues or payment matters, but nothing has been officially confirmed. What he did say, though, is that while Govinda will be missed, the film's spirit remains intact. And here's where it gets interesting. Manoj Bajpayee is stepping into the madness. Yes, the same Manoj Bajpayee we associate with intense performances in films like Gangs of Wasseypur is now entering full-on comedy chaos mode. While some fans are skeptical, wondering how Chi-Chi's iconic comic energy can be replaced, others are excited to see Bajpayee's lighter side. Remember, he did surprise everyone with his comic timing in films like Ludo and Kumketu. Paresh Rawal seems confident about the new dynamic. He hinted that the Akshay-Manoj pairing will feel unique and bring a fresh flavor to the sequel. Plus, Rawal playing a double role means double confusion, double madness, and hopefully double the laughs. Think Andaz Apna Apna style madness, when one actor playing multiple characters becomes the ultimate chaos trigger. Adding to the buzz, Meenakshi Chowdhury has joined the film as the leading lady, rounding out the ensemble cast. As soon as the news broke on February 5th, social media exploded. Reddit threads were divided, some fans dramatically saying, "Manoj replacing Govinda? Just shelve it," while others are curious to see how this reinvention plays out. Meanwhile, Akshay Kumar's comedy calendar is packed. He's already lined up with Boot Bangla in April 2026, alongside Paresh Rawal, Welcome to the Jungle in June 2026, and Hera Fairy 3 slated for 2027. So clearly, we're in the middle of a full-on 2000s comedy revival wave. But here's the real test. Can Bhagam Bhag 2 recreate the original magic without Govinda? Or will this new casting bring an unexpected twist that works even better? One thing's certain, with Akshay's timing, Paresh Rawal's chaos energy, and Manoj Bajpayee stepping into uncharted comic territory, this sequel won't be boring. Whether it becomes nostalgic gold or a bold reinvention, Bollywood is clearly betting big on laughter again.